In this video, you will find affirmations for time management which can help boost your productivity. Repeat the affirmations after me. I am scheduling all of my tasks. I am working efficiently. I choose to take care of myself. I am getting better at managing my time and energy. I am setting my priorities and sticking to them. I am taking responsibility for my time. I am taking care of all the details. I am sticking to my plan. I have enough time to get everything done before the day is over. I'm organized and I have everything I need to get my work done today. I am able to manage my time effectively. I am prioritizing my commitments. I am being mindful of my time management skills. I am confident that I can finish my work on time. I'm feeling more motivated than ever to get my work done. I have all the time I need to get everything done. I will take care of myself so I can take care of my work. I will always make the time to do everything I need to do. I am committed to managing my time wisely. I am good at time management. I am organized and I can make the time to do what I need to do. I am confident in my abilities to be efficient and make the best use of my time. I manage my time well. I set a realistic goal for myself and stick to it. I am able to manage my time, set my good priorities and stick to the schedule. I make time for the things that are important to me. I am in control of my time. I have the power to manage my time. I will take the time to plan my day. I am a time management machine and I can work efficiently with my time. I am capable of managing my time and I set myself up for success. I am patient with my time. I live in the present moment and I don't dwell on the past. I am calm and focused in all that I do. I am a pro at managing time. I know how to prioritize. I know what I need to do to get things done. I know how to budget my time. I make use of my time wisely. I am a time management expert. I have the skills to manage my time. I have the power to organize my day. I prioritize my tasks quickly and correctly. I plan my time. I have the power to manage my time effectively. I am in control of my time. I always make the most of my time. I can prioritize my goals in a way that benefits me. I have the power to change my old habits and routines. I am efficient. I can work on multiple projects at the same time. I can manage my time well. I am proactive and resist the urge to put things off. I am a master of time and it is a servant of mine. I live life to the fullest. I have time for what is important to me. I have time for anything I need to do. I have the time for my favorite things. I have the time for my favorite people. I have the time for anything. Thank you for watching and repeat the affirmations. Take care.